Are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 comes with a factory applied screen protector? So I kind of have some bad, but also some good news. So first, nope, this watch actually do not come with a screen protector. So if you're wondering if there's something applied on the screen, then nope. However, the good news is this actually is a full sapphire glass display. So essentially sapphire is pretty much one of the hardest materials out there, and it's pretty much impossible to actually scratch it. So for example, I have my Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 here, which I have worn for like literally 2 years non-stop, and I see literally like a brand new watch. I also have Galaxy Watch 5 again, which has got sapphire display, and again it's still brand new literally, so like 4 years later essentially. So yeah. So in my opinion, this watch actually do not need a screen protector at all, since the glass is so incredibly good. For example, if you compare the display of the Galaxy Watch versus Apple Watch, which doesn't use the sapphire, then on Apple Watch the screen scratches so incredibly easily. But on these, again, out of any smartwatch I have used, these probably have the strongest and most scratch resistant screens. So again, you're kind of wasting your money in my opinion if you even apply screen protector. Also, I have tried to actually apply screen protectors in past on watches, and the feel is absolutely terrible basically. So again, when you are interacting with the watch without screen protector, it feels literally like 5 times better. So again, I do not like the screen protectors. Also, they make kinda the watch look ugly. So again, in my opinion, there's literally zero need for screen protector on this watch. So yeah, especially knowing my past experience with other Galaxy watches. Like,